SereneLife SLPAC12.5 Portable Air Conditioner Compact Home AC Cooling Unit with built-in humidifier and fan modes. Quiet operation. Includes window mount kit. 12,000 BTU, white. The SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner System features a lightweight, handy, sleek body design intended to be used in the bedroom, living room or garage at home or office. It features rolling wheels for easy portability. The compact floor AC indoor cooler conditioning unit features a simple electric plug-in operation and has 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifier and fan. Also features automatic swing mode W/moving wind vent for maximum air circulation. With 1150 W rated power and 12,000 BTU, ASHRAE/7,000 BTU, SEC, cooling power, the cold air can cover a room up to 450 plus square feet. Airflow is rated at 290 M3 HR. Moisture removal/dehumidifier at 1.8 liters/hour W/an operating noise level of only 56 dB. Features a digital touch button control panel which includes the power, mode, timer, temperature and fan speed settings. Other functions such as unit selector, Celsius/Fahrenheit, sleep key can be adjusted using the included remote control.